What's up, guys? Your boy Russ, and we are back with another one. Just got back from seeing my guy Mr. C on Instagram, aka Chris. He just swapped out my brake pads. He just put on my Legmaker intake, so Raven is definitely sounding good. She's feeling good throttle response, and we about to go wash the car, me and Cuzzo. What up?
Might need a ride to the car, bro. I'm from way up the street.
Go ahead. Me and Cuzzo about to go wash these two cars. Obviously, I got the Kent. He got the M240 Beamer. I'll let you guys see it when I get to the car wash, but yeah. This is the one with the super fast Evo. So yeah, we about to go wash these cars because we pulling up to that Hughes Twin meet tonight. A bunch of cars gonna be out there, and it's gonna be a good time. She out here screaming. Legmaker. Yeah, she sounds good, man. Extremely good. Last time, other Hellcat I had the B Woody. Decided to go with the Legmaker this time. Does not disappoint. It sounds extremely good. We know it gave you good throttle response. Let me check my intake temps. It's good. I definitely need an oil change though. Hey, what's the lowest y'all let y'all oil change go to? I normally do it at like 20%, but right now she's definitely down. Intake temp a little up there. I need to get me a thermostat. That's what I need. Definitely need to get me a thermostat. That's probably gonna be my next mod, is the new thermostat, and I think I'm gonna go upper lower pulley in the tune and see how she feel that. Cause I gotta give it a little bit more power, man. Dudes is running down on me all the time. They seeing this car is getting a little popular again, so they seeing this car. And they running down on me with some souped up BMWs and souped up Mercedes. And they getting their little wins or whatever. And then they going on social media. But they don't tag your boy. They just go on social media and post, oh, I beat a Hellcat, or look at this, or whatever. And it's like, bro, you beat a stock Hellcat. Like, I just put an intake on my car. And I've had it for what, a year? So it's like, there's nothing to brag about. I beat a stock Hellcat. Cool. Good job, bro. You dumped a bunch of money in your car to get to where my base is. So imagine when I put money in this. Then come run down on me. Then come see me. And we gonna see how that one go. And I don't want to hear no excuses about blah, blah, my tune, my this, that, and the third. Oh, this was happening. Nobody cares. Once I soup this car up, I want smoke with everybody. I don't care who you are or what you got. I want it. I'm calling everybody out. Come see me. Once I get it where I want it, come see me. Street, track, come see me. I don't care. I'm only hunting BMWs. My cousin right behind me in an M240, and I'm hunting Beamers. Hunting Beamers! All right, we out here. Car wash. I hand wash my car. Cuzzo right there. You see the cat. This is M240. Of course he got it in purple, man. You already know. M240i. That's how we roll into the meet. I'm about to wash mine. He about to wash his. So stay tuned. broke. That's not broke. It's broke.
Now it's getting dark, so it's like not looking as crispy.
What the fuck is the cars in?
There's a way that you dip off to. There's a. I think it's to get to like put you right at Dick's.
Oh my god. I'm trying to find that lead car.
That's me. I don't know, bro, but I want to press this thing, bro. I'm not even like that, bro. I don't even want to do that. It was on the bike? It was one of them on the bike. He swerved, like he does this and swerves into my way. I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't want to get him.
About to get ready to fuck over.
I'll catch up with everyone.
Oh, I guess I could have fucked the man. Hold on. Hey, come, bring him over here. Fuck, I was gonna tell him come over here. Let's tell him come over here. If you set up a cruise to get
What?
to a meet,
You ain't read the
keep
flyers.
everybody together.
Oh, God.
Hey,
talking.
hey, look,
no.
hey,
You
hey,
was
look,
racing?
Does anybody want? Look, does anybody want rollers? Here's the guy right here.
Oh, God.
And
Look.
the guy
Hold
leaves
on.
everybody.
Hold on, pause. Cause look,
The guy leaves everybody.
You took off. You took off. They took off. What you talking about? I absolutely took off. But all right, that's one. Now a minute. What happened on the freeway? What happened on the freeway? All right, then shut the fuck up. I knew a boy.
Oh my God.
Bro, okay, where's Liam at?
Let's
Where's
go.
Liam at? Hey, Liam, where you at? Exactly.
Come on. It's got to be a little bit more organization.
Liam's still on the
A little bit more
You pulled
organization.
up to Tacoma Mall. You ain't even looking at the flyer. That's some fake shit.
My bad.
Wow. He
My
talking
bad.
about, bro, he texted me talking about, bro, I'm at Tacoma Mall. What are you talking about? I'm like, what the fuck? Liam's still on
Hey, look, I pulled up to the mall. I see a cop car. I see nobody. I said, oh, shit. Ain't nobody.
Bro, the slide, if you swipe to the right, said
Yeah.
use him.
Damn. Yeah, I was like, I looked at the first figure, like, that's good enough. My bad.
Speaking of, when you have a meetup time, you said 5:30, right? You're giving everybody 15 minutes to pull up and roll out.
Let's be real. Everybody was late as fuck.
You can't do that.
Bro, no, hell no.
No, you
All of
can't
y'all
do
was
that.
late.
I was there.
No, don't you say all of y'all. Don't
What you talking about?
No,
I got it.
Put the fucking clip. Y'all was there. But look, what time did it say on the flyer? 5:30.
Oh, my
So where the fuck everybody put up at 5:50?
I was there at 5:20.
But you know, listen, we're black. We're black.
You gotta give a 30-minute grace period. Like, everybody know that.
Come on, bro. It was.
5:36
Said you hear this
is
shit?
when people showing up.
It's crazy. 15 minutes.
People showing up at 6.
Oh,
It's
God,
5:30.
bro. Thank you. Oh, God.
Shit happens.
You know how it goes.
You gotta
30-minute grace period.
You all in fast cars getting there not on time. and y'all all took off. Like, I was in the car trying to
Bro, we trying to catch up to Liam.
No,
Where's
listen,
Liam at?
listen.
No, the fuck y'all wasn't. Y'all was racing.
Listen, 5:30, meet up
He was
time.
racing to be a millionaire.
You gotta give everybody like at least 30 minutes. You gotta give at least 30 minutes.
Motherfuckers was gone.
60 miles per hour.
My man was out there wrenching, bro. Taking the wheels off, putting the brakes. He wasn't playing. Everything. Ported blower, yeah, ported throttle, injectors, dual fuel pumps.
Who said that, bro?
That's somebody you didn't put on the dial yet?
Always like, yeah.
Take it down the turn.
It wasn't good enough, bro. It was trying
Fuck it. Get the 3.8 Whipple.
Why he always trying to add you to some shit?
Why?
It's got power. Plus, you got to run the E85 full time, too. It's the travel ride where
I'm trying to do what he doing. I keep spending money on car parts stuff. Hey, this is the man right here. Put the brakes on, the intake on. Need any work done in Washington. Come see this man.
lock in.
What is it? SRTC on SRT.C
Yep.
on Instagram. SRT.C. Come see this man.
Nice.
Him and his brother do good work. Good work. That thing sounds nasty, dude. Oh,
It do, bro.
I
It
was
do,
going
man.
crazy.
Dude, man, like it's like I just took it around the corner, just like throw your brakes and then hear it. It's just like it definitely intakes it.
I'm like, oh my god, I was riding around like a church mouse, bro. With my shit. You know what I'm saying?
You're like, man, this shit.
I was like, I missed this shit. Like, cause when I hit the B Woody on there, that shit was snapping. But now it just, I don't know. I think the Legmaker sound better.
Yeah.
Than the B Woody. Cause I think it's fatter too.
I think the Legmakers do. Yeah. They're bigger, and everybody says the Legmakers are better.
Yeah. Like, y'all got me about to do it. I'm like, pulley, bro.
Oh man.
I'm about to sneak one in.
Might as well do it. Do that in some long tubes, but
Cause then I gotta get it tuned though. Cause I don't want to check in.
if you do the pulley, you got to get it too.
That's true. That's true. Not if I do it the lower pulley, but cause I get the incognito.
I guess.
But yeah.
Or you can just do the red eye shift too. I think they got a package of that for Dodge you can buy.
What, dude? The red connection? Trust it.
Dodge itself.
I still think that's the red connection. You know what the red connection? He's tired. Leave her alone.
You gotta remember, baby, it's dark. It's dark. That's why.
Huh?
I said it's dark.
It looks like the Highland. They're after me! Oh yeah. Oh shit!
Are y'all chasing each other?
Oh my God! Help me, please! Help me! Oh my goodness!
Nah, every time he goes like that, you got no
Thanks, babe. You're the best. Get you a camera, woman.